Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, in our session, we have discussed about the tissue and organ transplantation. An organ transplant is a surgical operation which is a failure of damaged organ in our human body is removed or replaced within a functional organ or tissues. The donated organ may be from the deceased donor or living donor, or it can be any from the animals. Organ that can be transplanted are the heart, kidney, liver, lungs, pancreas, intestine, and thymus. Tissues, including like we can take from the bones, tendons, cornea, skin, heart valves, nerves, and veins. In worldwide, the kidney are most commonly transplanted organ. Just and liver and heart also on the working research also have been working on the liver and heart for as a transplant organ. Now I will tell you the history about the transplant, tissue and organ transplantation. Sir Peter Medawar, the father of transplantation, worked on the graft rejection and acquired immune tolerance in 1944 showed that the skin allograft between the two mice are rejected. So Sir Peter Medawar worked on the mice for they can be transplant their skin between two mice. In Alexia Skarlar, they have got Alexia Skarlar's got a Nobel Prize on 1912 on medicine, which is she has recognized as a vascular structure and the transplantation of blood vessels and the organs. Bruce Ritz on March 1981, the successfully heart-lung transplant took place at the Sanford University Hospital. Dr. Edward Jim, the first successful human corneal transplant and a keratinoplastic operation performed in Edward Jim in Austria 1905. Now I will tell you the different types of transplant. Autograft, allograft, isograft, xenograft, split transplant, and domino transplant. So these are the type of transplantation. It can be tissue or it can be organ. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the autograft. Autograft is a transplant of tissue from the 1-ton cell. Sometimes it is done with the surplus tissues or tissue that can be degenerate or tissue more desperately needed elsewhere. For example, it can be a skin graft, and sometimes this is done by the removal of tissue and then treat for the person before returning it. Allograft. An allograft is a transplant of an organ and tissues between two genetically non-identical members of the same species. Most human tissues and organ transplants are allografts. Now we will discuss isograft, the third type. The subset of allograft is in which organ or tissue are transplanted from a donor to the genetically identical recipient. For example, such as they can be twins, and isograft are the differentiated from the other types of transplant because while they are automatic and anatomically identical to the allograft, they do not trigger on the immune response. Just because, for example, we both have a similar blood group or we have just because they are twins so they identically similar or their chromosome more related to the each other, so that's why their body they won't respond easily. So twins, if there is a twins, they can easily take their organ and tissues for the transplantation. Xenograft, a transplant of organ or tissue from the one species to another, and the xenograft is often an extremely dangerous types of transplant. Is the increased risk of non-compatibility rejection, and it can be disease, some kind of tissues disease, for example, porcine heart valves, and which are quite common and successful. The latter, the research study directed for the potential human use, it is successfully. Split transplant, sometimes a diseased donor or an organ, usually a liver, may be divided between two recipients, especially an adult or a child. This is not usually preferred option because drug transplantation of the whole organ is more successful. Domino transplant, the operation is usually performed for the cystic fibrosis, as both lungs need to be replaced, and it is technically easier operation to replace the heart and lung. As a recipient, native heart is usually healthy, and this can be itself to transplanted into someone needed to heart transplant. Major organ or tissues transplanted. In a chest, we can see the heart disease, they can be taken from the diseased donor only. Lungs, deceased donor and living donor. Heart, heart and lung deceased donor, and the domino transplant. Abdomen, abdomen part of organ and tissue transplant. Kidney, it can be taken from the deceased donor or living donor. Liver can be taken from the deceased donor and living donor. Pancreas, it can be only taken from the, it will be only taken from the deceased donor only. Intestine, deceased donor and living donor. Stomach, deceased donor only. Testis, deceased donor and living donor. Tissue, cell or fluids, hand tissues, you can take from the deceased donor only. Cornea, you can take from the deceased donor only. Skin, you can take skins, tissues or cells from the deceased donor, living donor, and the autografts. Isolates of the Langerhans, deceased donor and the living donor. Bone marrow, it can be taken from the living donor and the autografts. Heart valves, it can be taken from the deceased donor and the living donor, and you can done a xenograft. Bone, it can be taken from the deceased donor and the living donor and autografts. Living donor, in living donor type, now I will tell you the types of the donor. There are some kinds of donors, which is like one is a living donor, second one is a deceased donor. In living donor, the donor remains alive and donate a reliable renewal tissues and cell fluid like skin, blood, or donate any organ, preliminary or single kidney donation. Partial donation, it can be lung and liver and lung lobes. They can be living donor can be donate these parts. And then from the disease, second one is R type disease donor. Disease donor are people who have been declared brain dead and whose organ are kept viable by the ventilators or other mechanical mechanism until they can be ceased and for the transplantation. Now I will tell you the timelines of successful transplantation. In 1908, the first transplant of the knee. In 1909, the first recorded kidney transplant from the animal to human. In 1936, first human to human kidney transplant has done. And 1953, first successful surgery using heart-lung bypass. In 1954, first successful kidney transplant. In 1963, first successful lung transplant has done. In 1967, first successful liver transplant. In 1968, first successful heart transplant in the US. In 1973, first successful bone marrow transplant. In 1998, first successful hand transplant has done. Heart transplant procedure. When an organ that meets our requirement is located to the transplant, doctor will be checking the donor organ while you are being evaluated and started for the medication in the preparation of the transplantation. If the donate organ is good, you will then be taken from the operating room, put to sleep and the anesthetic, and one of the transplant surgeon will begin to the process of preparing your chest cavity for removal of your heart. So this is general procedure of the transplantation. And transplant there some have something happens when our bodies rejected some transplantation tissues or organ. So for now I will tell you the disadvantage, which is hyperacute occurs minute to hour after transplantation. No treatment, organ must be removed in hyperacute condition. In acute condition, the occur days in a 1 week to month after transplantation it will be occur, and T cytotoxic lymphocytes attack to the transplant organ just because they have seen our T cells have been seen they are a foreign organ, so they will be attacked on as a foreign particle on that organ, so that after that they can be destroyed. So this condition also occurred in acute. Chronic occur over month to the year, most common in lung transplantation. Sign and the symptoms are for these conditions: pain at the site of the transplantation, feeling ill, flu-like symptoms and fever, weight change, swelling, decreased urine outputs. Immune suppressive drugs are which will be given in transplantation duration: corticosteroids, which is the pre hypercortisones, and antiproliferative are agotripin, and mTOR inhibitors are sirmulis and the evermulis. Now I'll tell you what is the organ transplantation is a successful therapeutic option for the treatment of a stage of organ disease. Such and success depends on our improved surgical techniques and immunosuppression, organ preservation, and the follow-ups. So this is all about the tissue transplantation and organ transplantation. Why we have done organ transplantation and which parts of we can transplant it from the human body and from the animals. So generally I will tell you, you can transplant your heart, your kidney, your lung, your pancreas, your intestine, your thymus can be transplanted as an organ. And if you talk about the tissues, we can transplant as a tissue your bones, your tendons, your cornea, your skin, your heart valves, your nerves, and your veins can be transplanted. And you can take these things from animals and you from if you talk about the tissues, you can take from the deceased or living donors. And I have told you some history about the transplantation. I have told you about the different types of transplant, which is autograft, allograft, isograft, xenografts, split transplant, domino transplant, and different types of transplant, which is useful, how to be have done transplant. And I have told you the major organ and how to transplant it. Generally, we talk about the chest, you can transplant the heart, lungs, and how where we taken from these trans donor. And if you talk about the abdomen, you can be transplant our kidney, liver, pancreas, intestine, stomach, and testis. And if you are talk about the tissues and cell includes, you can take the hand, cornea, skin, isolates of Langerhans, and bone marrows, heart valves, and the bones. And I have already told you the two types of donor, which will be living donor. Living donors alive. You can take your cells, tissues, and you can take your primary cells like a kidney, partial donation of liver and the lung lobes. And if you talk about the disease donor, you can take up their after the death of their brain, their cell parts or their organs. I have told you about the timeline and successful transplantation, and how do we have done your heart transplantation. Transplant, if we have got transplantation rejection, immune responsive drugs for the transplantation. How, so this is all about the summary of our tissue and heart tissue and organ transplantation. If we have talked about the exam point of view, they will be asked of the different types of transplantation and the procedure of transplantation. We can the organs of the different types of organ of the transplantation. So this is all about this session. Thank you so much.